The insurance industry runs on data, but with rising complexity, outdated manual processes, and billions lost every year to fraud and inefficiency, the system is under pressure. Today, artificial intelligence is reshaping insurance, transforming workflows into faster, smarter, and more profitable operations. In this video, we'll break down how AI can be applied across the insurance value chain, from risk assessment and claims automation to fraud detection and customer service, and show why adopting AI now isn't just about saving costs, but unlocking new revenue opportunities. Traditional insurance faces 6 major challenges. First, risk assessment. Policies are often mispriced because the methods are outdated, leaving insurers exposed and customers paying the wrong premiums. Claims processing. It's slow, manual, and error-prone. That means higher cost for insurers and long delays for policyholders. Fraud detection. Every year, billions are lost to fraudulent claims that slip through the cracks. Administrative overhead. Endless paperwork and repetitive back-office tasks drive expenses up and keep efficiency low. Customer service. Policyholders face long wait times, confusing processes, and little transparency, which damages trust. Lead management and growth. Poor targeting and weak follow-up means missed opportunities and slow customer acquisition. Together, these issues weaken operational efficiency, undermine customer experience. The result is delayed settlements, unnecessary costs, dissatisfied policyholders, and lost revenue opportunities. These challenges aren't new. Insurers have been grappling with them for decades. But what's changed is the rise of AI. According to global consulting leaders like McKinsey, Accenture, and PwC, AI is already reshaping the 3 big value drivers in insurance. First, operational efficiency by streamlining underwriting, claims, and fraud detection. Second, customer experience by enabling faster, more transparent, and personalized service. Third, growth and distribution by helping insurers acquire new customers, improve lead conversion, and cross-sell more effectively. At CodeBrew Labs, we specialize in delivering enterprise-grade AI platforms designed to impact all 3 drivers. At CodeBrew Labs, our focus isn't just on technology, it's on creating measurable business impact. We design AI-driven systems that strengthen all 3 of the insurance industry's value drivers. On the efficiency side, AI takes over repetitive tasks from underwriting reviews to compliance checks, cutting costs and reducing errors so insurers can operate leaner and smarter. For customer experience, AI speeds up claims and improves service transparency. Policyholders get faster responses, clearer answers, and fairer settlements, which builds long-term trust. And when it comes to growth and distribution, AI empowers smarter lead management. It enables smarter lead management, sharper segmentation, and stronger support for agents and brokers. That means insurers can target the right prospects, convert more leads, and unlock new revenue opportunities. So this isn't just about automation. It's about running a more profitable business, keeping customers loyal, and positioning insurers to compete and win in a rapidly changing market. So, here's the big takeaway. AI isn't just an add-on for insurance. It's becoming the foundation for how insurers will compete in the future. The companies that embrace AI now will lead on efficiency, deliver superior customer experiences, and open up new growth and distribution opportunities. At CodeBrew Labs, that's exactly what we help insurers achieve. Our enterprise-grade AI platform is secure, scalable, and built specifically for insurance, designed to integrate seamlessly with your operations and deliver measurable business impact from day one. If you're ready to see how AI can transform your insurance business, click the link in the description and book a free consultation with our team. We'll walk you through practical use cases and show you how our solutions can help you scale smarter and grow faster. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on how AI is reshaping industries worldwide.